So for today's improvement, what I want to do is I want to clear up my desk. It's not really going to eliminate any defects or anything like that, but it's just very cluttered. I have like jobs over here, stapler, got too many things. I have my cup, and then I have my backpack down here for the gym. But I also have this drawer right here that, from what I've kind of learned, has been like this for years. So I want to clean that out, so hopefully I can put the backpack in there, because every time when we sit down, my feet are always hitting it, and then it always ends up all the way in the corner. So I'm gonna fix that, and then hopefully the desk will be a lot neater. One thing I noticed while cleaning this as well is there's a lot of like coffee stains from like iced coffee and it's my morning coffee. So I'll probably buy some coasters, and that'll be an improvement as well. So I just finished reorganizing this desk part of it, and one of the main things I did was install these shelves right here. So now the monitors are finally at eye level, and we don't have to be looking down just to work on the computer. One of the main things that was bugging me was this little station right here. You can see where it used to be right there, and it would just be in the way of everything. You ran in the middle of the desk, and the cable for the mouse would constantly hit it. That's going to be a huge improvement. Found some things I don't really need, so I don't really need the stapler, this cable that wasn't really connected to anything, this little hook right here. And I also found out that I need to restock on some sticky notes, so I'm going to do that. Cleaning out this bottom part now, and it was so messy, I never even knew that this part opened. So we still have a lot of stuff down there as well, and then we have a bunch of stuff right here, anything from our old predecessors. There's so many things. Right, so I just finished cleaning up everything, and this is the final result. It looks a lot neater, a lot less cramped. This is the inside of the drawer right there, and I can finally put my backpack down there, and it's all set. There's a lot of stuff in the drawers right there, so just a reminder to keep your desk clean, and it'll help fix what bugs you.